Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject name Open Source Technology, and that today's session is playing video. These are the topics which I have covered during this session: introduction, watching video with Zine, creating playlist with Zine using Real Player. Come to the introduction. Although several fairly high quality video players are available for Linux, none are included in the Red Hat Linux distribution. So the legal issues surrounding the playing of encoding DVD movies in Linux might be responsible for keeping players such as the player in you see here Fresh Meat, Net Players, Ogle, and Zen video players out of this distribution. Okay. Now watching video with Zine. The Zine player is an excellent application for playing a variety of video and audio formats. You can get Zine from zine.sourceforge.net or, or by downloading RPMs from freshRPMs.net. And you can start the Zine player by typing Zine and from a terminal window. So this is the screen you see here. In this, Zine supports the bunch of videos and audio formats, including this. First is MPEG, then QuickTime, Motion JPEG, AC3 and W digital audio, DTS audio, OGG Vorbis audio. Now with Zine started, right click in the Zine window to see the controls. Okay, so the quickest way to play video is to click one of the following buttons, then press the play button, right arrow or play depending on the skin you are using. Like VCD, that is looks for a video CD, DVD means looks for a DVD in /DVD, and CGA means look a music CD in dev the audio. Next, you can use the pause, resume, stop, play, fast motion. In this saw motion or eject buttons to work with video. You can also use the previous next button to step of different tracks. The controls are very similar to that you would expect on the physical CD or DVD player. Now to select individual files or to put together your own list of content to play, you can use the playlist feature. Now comes to the creating playlist with Zine. Click the playlist button on the left side of the Zine control windows. A playlist with the approach the playlist editor appears, showing the file of your current playlist. You can add and delete content from this list, then save the list to call on later. Here's how you use the Zine playlist editor. So CDA, DVD or DVDA, you can click on move, click on the buttons, you can say that represent a particular CD or DVD. All content from that CD or DVD is added to the playlist. Now in the add, click the add button to see the MRL browser window, and from that window click file to choose a file from your Linux file, system to add to the list, then click select to add that file to the playlist editor. And the other thing is move up or up down. Use the movie for selected MRL and move down selected MRL buttons to move up and down the playlist. So in the delete, we click the delete selected MRL button to remove the current selection. Now delete all means click the delete all entries button to clear the whole playlist. And the save means simple like in Windows, like the same buttons to save the playlist of your home directory, that is $home/zine and playlist. So the to know read the playlist saved, click the load button. Now come to the using Real Player. A tremendous amount of content is available on the internet and in the real world, and real audio formats you can see and hear video clips of popular musician and comics. You can view live events such as conferences, news stories and concerts. You can also listen to your favorite radio station when use are out of town. So to play real media and real audio content, you need, as you may have guessed, the Real Player. And this real network, that is www.real.com, is a leader in streaming media on the internet. So more than 300 million unique that have registered with this real world network and their websites. So the downloading more than 175,000 words in a file per day. And after that what to say ki the good news is that a Real Player is available to run in Red Hat Linux. The Real Player for Linux is application via the link area or download.com or 2cap.com or finally the rate administration. And this player not supported by Real Network directly. So this is all about today's session. This is the question for the practice: how to create playlist. Okay. Now, thank you. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.